Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how do I convert a float number to a whole number in the JavaScript. Alright, declare a variable here for the float number. Okay, so that would be fine. Alright, so we can convert the float number to the whole number in JavaScript by different methods. We use the float method, we use the ceil method, we use the round method, math.round method, we use the trunc method, but all of these different methods convert the float number to the whole number differently. So let's just see how does they differ from each other. Okay, so I'm gonna declare the variables here equal to math.float, and I will pass the num float here. Copy this round, so I'm gonna use the trunc here and round here and ceil here. So let's just do the console log here. Alright, so let's just run this. So as you can see here, the first value we have is the float value. Then we have converted into the whole number. First we have used a float method, and in the float method it simply converts our floating number and return the largest integer less or equal to the given value. Okay, but when we use the ceil method, it simply takes the float value and returns the nearest integer in the upward direction. So for example, if we have the 44.63, the nearest integer in upward direction would be the 56, so it just converted into the 46. And when we use the round method, it simply returns the nearest integer, and it could be in the upward direction and the lower direction as well. The trunc function simply returns the integer part of your floating number by removing the fractional digits. But we also have another way in which we create a function or bitwise operator. So let me just define that function. Alright, so let's just use this function now. I'm gonna write the console log float to int. Okay, I have to provide a value here. It would be 56.65. Alright, so let's just run this. Okay, as you can see here, it simply returned me the whole number. Alright, so this is how we can convert the float number to the whole number in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.